Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mossbeau. If you just stumbled on this channel today, I thought to do a get ready with me going to church. I'm actually going to church, and I just thought, you know what, let me just film this. So just get glam with me while I get ready for church. And whenever I'm getting ready to go to church, the things I usually do is get in the mood, for worship, praise, and all of that. So I usually just put on my gospel music and just get ginger, get in the mood, to serve God. So I'm listening to this. Oh, I saw Banu Jamigayo. Oh, really long, tell me why. I'll be back, oh, I'll be on it. I'll be back, oh,
Hail my Jesus, Ebube, 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 DK. Hail my Jesus, Ebube, 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 DK. Hail my Jesus, Ebube, Ebube, come on, Ebube, DK. Hail my Jesus, Ebube, 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 DK. Been around the world, searching for a miracle, but I found no one, nobody like you, nobody like Jesus. In so many places, searching for a better life, but I found no one, nobody like you, nobody like you. Hail my Jesus. Ebube, Ebube, Ebube,
quick one. I used 2 lip glosses. So I used this one, this MAC Oyster Girl. It's like a shiny lip gloss. That's what I used inside. And I used the clear one to line my line. Hey guys. Let me go get dressed. So this is what I'm wearing. I hope you guys like it. I don't know, it's a blouse. I'm gonna take I'll try and take a picture so you guys will see, or I'll probably just do a video outside so you guys will see what I'm talking about. And this is the shoes that I'm pairing with it. Gorgeous, right? And this is it, guys. I just wore a blouse and a wrapper, and I just feel like wearing native to church, you know, and I hope it captures it in full. I really hope so, but this is it. And I'm pairing it with my red purse. I got this from Zara, and I really like how I made my hair. I'm very late, by the way. I'm so late. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share my video, don't forget to show some love. I love you, and bye.